Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajinikanth, and here I'm going to show you one amazing Excel interview question for the post of MIS from reputed company from Hyderabad. Right, here I'm going to share a screen so that you can able to understand easily. See, everyone knows that if this value is present in this area, okay, then it has to be highlighted with some other color. Okay. If it is 5, it has to highlight here. But here is the reverse. Okay, here is the reverse. Understood? In this range, if you find this value, okay, if I enter any other, suppose 5 is available over here. For that reason, it is showing green. If I enter any other number or any other value from a range, if it is matching or it is available, then it has to show green or else it has to show red. Right. See, 5 is available, for that reason it is showing 5. Now, what I'll do, I'm change 5 to some other value which is not available in a range, like Kant. Suppose Kant. So it has to convert into a red. Okay. Understood? It has to convert into a red. Why it is showing like this? Why? What is the purpose of this, first of all? Okay, why actually? See, actually, in that reputed company, they raised some tickets. Okay, try to understand the concept perfectly. In that company, they raised some tickets which has been given by the customer by calling to the customer care. Right. If that tickets, we have to check whether if the ticket is closed, if the ticket is closed, so they will not mention here. Okay, they will not mention, they will not available, or they will not mention here. Okay, for suppose ticket 157 is there. Okay, 157. Suppose 157 is closed. Whatever in this range, it is opened tickets, not the closed tickets. If it is closed, it will not available here. Understood? If it is closed, it will not available in that range. Yet I manipulated this, there will be some ticket numbers. Okay, ticket IDs. Okay, so I only manipulated like some names, numbers like that. Okay, see, suppose the team leader will enter some ticket number like 5. Because he has to check whether it is closed ticket or it's opened ticket. If it's closed ticket, it will show you in the red in color. If it is closed, okay. If it is not closed and it is available in opened uh, ticket, then it has to be in a green color. So if I enter, like what you'll say, Raju. So team leader will enter to check whether the ticket is open or a closed. So he will check like this. Okay. So he's having all the ticket numbers. So he will check whether this ticket was closed or not. After entering the Raju, the ticket number, if you press enter, it will show you that in green in color. Means it is already there in a range. So we have to close it as early as possible. For that reason, this is the query. Now, I will show you how to solve this with easy, very easy. Okay. No need to take any logic or anything. Right. See, I tried this one here. Okay. It's already there. Okay, what I'll do, I'll remove, first of all, I'll remove that format. I removed everything. Okay, that now think it is an empty cell. Now we have to, now what I'll do, I type Raju. Okay, so it will be like this only. It won't change at all. So what I'll do here, there is a shortcut key for conditional format, Alt HLN. Okay, so click over here. And first of all, what we need that whatever the value are there in that range. Okay, first thing, the value, if it is there, it is not closed. If value is not there, means it is already closed. Is equal to match of this value, comma, go to this range, Control Shift down arrow. I'm selecting the whole range. And if it is a number, okay, it will pick up the position where it occurs, where it occurs, the position. Okay, so the conditional format will understand that if it is greater than or less than 0, considering it is a true, greater than or less than 0, whatever. Non-zero numbers consider as a true and 0 as a false. Now I format because it is matching. See, first of all, observe, it is matching. So what you have to do if it is matching? Already I said that if it is matching, we have to use a green color. Okay, format. Okay, I will make it font color white. So it's looks better. Okay, it looks better if it is white and bold too. So that it is, yes, that's enough. Okay. If it is matching, it will show you in the green color. Okay. See. Yes, it is matching. Already it is not yet closed. So we have, and the team leader will send the non-closed and open the tickets to the agents to make it as early as possible to close the all tickets. Okay. Now, another condition we have to write is Alt HLN. Okay. Same conditional format, same formula here. We have to use that is equal to is NA match of Raju, comma, select the range, comma, 0. Now we have to is NA or is error, whatever it may be. Now we have to format in a red color. If it is not closed, if it is closed, it has to show you in red color. Bold, filled with red. Okay. Okay. And font will be the white. That's better. Okay. White. Done. Bold, everything is okay. Now it won't change because it is already available here. So what I'll do, team leader will have all the ticket numbers. So he will enter all the ticket numbers. So he will enter one ticket number. See, let's whether it is available or not. Suppose 20. So he will enter the ticket number as 20 and it will enter, checking whether it is closed or open. If it is closed, it has to show in red color. If it is open, it has to show you in green color. See, already red. Means the team leader will understand that this ticket is not yet, sorry, the ticket is closed. Okay, because the range, whatever the open tickets data is there, in that value, it is not there. Means it is closed. Understood? I need for this video minimum 1000 views because I'm not getting views. I'm trying and collecting so many MIS interview questions, but no one is watching or sharing with others. So, because it's very, very, very important. Out of 10 companies, 6 to 7 companies are asking about this type of queries. Okay, understood? Thank you, guys. I hope I definitely you'll share with your friends and whoever needs this Amay's interview questions, please share to them. And thank you so much for your patience for watching still end of this video.